Allow me to take you on a brief journey to a place where the vibrancy of life converges to create a mesmerizing tapestry of human connection. The place I am describing is the bustling streets of Shibuya, Tokyo, a bustling district in Japan. Picture this. I was fortunate to be accompanied by some of my closest friends on this exhilarating adventure. As we navigated through the labyrinthine streets, we were greeted by a kaleidoscope of cultures and a fusion of modernity and tradition. But what truly enchanted us were the countless people who thronged the streets. Everywhere we looked, there were waves of individuals immersed in various activities. Commuters dashed to catch trains, laughter echoed from cozy izakayas, and shoppers reveled in the latest fashion trends. The allure of Shibuya lies in its magnetic charm, drawing countless people like a beacon of urban allure. Its reputation as a vibrant shopping and entertainment district, coupled with its iconic landmarks like the Shibuya crossing, acts as a magnetic force for both locals and tourists alike. Moreover, Shibuya embodies the essence of Tokyo's fast-paced lifestyle, where tradition and innovation harmoniously coexist. This fusion attracts people from all walks of life, eager to experience the uniqueness and energy this place exudes. In conclusion, the streets of Shibuya hold an inexplicable allure that captivates people from all corners of the globe. Whether it be the allure of modernity, the pull of tradition, or the excitement of human connection, Shibuya continues to be a melting pot of experiences that has earned its rightful place as one of the world's most vibrant and bustling places. If you ever have the chance, I implore you to experience the magic of Shibuya for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Thank you.